Hey guys, we received this BlueRigger USB-C to 3.5mm headphone and a charger adapter, two-in-one USB-C for test and try. So this is basically for the new USB-C devices like iPhones and Android, where there is no AX cable or the wired headphone slot or the AUX cable. So this one have the two adapter. One you can put in the headphone or the wired headphone, and the other you can charge it through the USB-C. So you can charge and listen to your music both at the same time. So you can see like it's charging and there is no issue with that. And wired headphone also working. I tested this one. So this adapter is like one USB into two AUX as well as the USB-C charging. So from the wire cable thing, it's a durable cable with the no breakable or the cut things with the springy stuff. It fits really well with the AUX adapter and also with the USB-C, and you can charge and listen to the music both at the same time. So it's a very nice adapter for your daily use.